Hi there, in today's tutorial I want to walk you through how you can create this amazing and adorable cat videos using AI. This video here is just about a month, it's not up to 2 months and already it's close to about 140,000 views. These are adorable and people like watching these videos. My channel's name is Creator Quest and then it's not even up to 2 months. My oldest video is not even up to 2 months, but I'm getting some pretty cool views on this channel. I have a viewer who wanted me to create a video how I actually create this amazing cat video. So I've already crafted amazing prompts that you can use. All you need to do is to insert the title and then you can easily indicate the number of scenes you want to generate. But I recommend you use 15 scenes, which give you very simple and a short video and then very entertaining. I'm going to walk you through everything and we're going to use ChatGPT to generate this. All you need to do is to get a title that you want to use to create your videos, and then ChatGPT can also help you get titles, amazing title about cat performing human related activities. So we're going to start by just generating our prompt. So I'm just going to copy this prompt, which I'm actually going to share with you. If you watch this video to the end, I'll show you how you can get this prompt. So I'm going to copy my prompt, go to ChatGPT, and then I'm going to paste my prompt right here. So all you need to do is to paste your entire prompt here, and then we have option here inside this code, insert your title. So for the title, I'm actually going to copy this short one here. So I just want to use Tiny Cat Relaxing Spa Day. So that is the title I'm going to use, and I want ChatGPT to generate 15 details image prompt based on the title. So basically this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to paste this right here, and also ChatGPT is also going to give me detailed image description, and then I'm going to have consistent image throughout. So as you can see, we first have the main character description here. We have the description of our character, and then also if you come down, you can see we have scene 1 all the way up to the 15th scene, and then also a ChatGPT to give me some short voiceovers as well. So now what we're going to do right now is we're actually going to copy the character description. So basically we're going to be using this description a lot. So I'll copy this character description. So I'll paste my character description here because I'll be using this a lot. So I'll go back to my scene and then we're going to copy this scene by scene, and then we're going to use this AI image generator called feline. That is what we're going to use to generate our images and the description to all the resources I'll be using in this video. So now we're going to copy this one after the other. So for scene 1, remember the name of the cat is called Mimi. So the name of the cat is called Mimi. So anywhere we see Mimi in our prompts, we're actually going to replace that with the character description. So we have consistent image throughout our 15 scenes. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy this prompt. Ignore the voiceover, don't add the voiceover. We can add the voiceover during editing. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy this and then I'll go to feline and paste this right here. So you can see Tiny Mimi. So we are referring to the cat, putting into brackets, and then we're going to paste the description. Remember, we copied the description into Word document. So I'm going to copy this entire description here and then paste it right into the bracket, and then I'll do this, I'll submit. So you can see this is our first image and this is looking very cute. So just take note of this. We're going to have this consistent throughout. This is going to be our main character and it's going to be consistent throughout. Make sure you set your image, because we are doing long form video, use 16:9 aspect ratio. That is what we're going to do. So we're just going to copy scene by scene. It takes some. All you need to do is to relax, take time, and then go through one after the other. So we're going to copy the next scene here, minus the voiceover, and then we go back here to our image generator. So go back to our image generator. So this is the second scene. Anywhere you see Mimi, just put in brackets there, and then we copy the character description. Copy the character description, paste in there, and then you submit this. So as you can see, this is the second scene, and then our images are looking incredibly well. So now we're going to do the third one. I'm going to copy the third scene. So I'm going to copy the third scene from here. So Mimi is right here, put in brackets, and then we're going to copy our character description. and then paste it there and then submit. So if you look at this clearly, you can see our image is very consistent. So for the sake of time, I'm going to generate the remaining images and then I'll show you what to do next. So I'm going to run through this and then I'll get back to you and then we'll do the rest. I'll show you what to do from here. Okay, so as you can see, I have generated all my images, and because of the method I use, you can see my images seems to be my images are very consistent throughout. Now all you need to do is to download these images onto your computer. So just move your cursor here and click on the download button here and then download all your images onto your computer. We're going to use Minimal Hello AI to actually animate this video. So if you look at what I have over here, I've already downloaded all my images which we are actually going to animate. So all we need to do is to come to this platform. I'm going to leave the link at the description of this video and then go to create video. You can actually use the free version, it's actually available for you to use. But if you want to actually get a faster work or faster results, you can actually go for a standard, which is quite cheap, $10 per month. But for the free version, you can actually get some bonus credit for daily login. So as a starter, you can start with the free version, but for faster results, you can actually go for the standard. What we're going to do is that we're going to drag our images one after the other. I recommend you copy the prompt that generated the images for the description. So anytime we drop any image here, we actually need to put a description for that. So I'll drag and drop my first image here, and then we need to give a description for this video before we can generate it, so we can get the best description, exactly what this cat is doing scene by scene. So the best you can do is to actually copy. I prefer copying the prompt. So when you click here, you can actually copy the prompt that generated that image, and then when you go back to Minimal Hello AI, just paste that prompt here and then go ahead. There are some options, the model over here. There are 3 models over here. If you want some control of camera movement, you can go for the 2V, and then we also have 2V01 live. We have the director, we have the live. So mostly I prefer this one, the base image, which I think works perfectly for me. So all I need to do is to click on generate. So this is going to take some time, but while this is going on, you can actually remove this and then you can continue with the rest of the images. So I'm actually going to go ahead and then copy the prompt for the next one, copy the next prompt, come here, paste it, drag my image here, then continue. So we're going to do this for all the 15 scenes. I'm going to speed up this as well. When I'm done, then we're going to have a look at the videos, and then we can use our favorite video editing software to combine everything together. So I'm going to speed up the rest of the process. So I've generated all my videos. All we need to do is now go ahead and then download these videos. So in order to download this video, just click here and go to assets. Click on select, and then you can actually click on this and select the videos you want to download. You can click on the month. So if 15th April, I can download all that, but let me just click and then select them because I have more videos. I don't want to download all. I just want to focus on the selected ones. So I'm just going to select them. And then I can click on download. So I'm going to download this. Guys, I have all my videos downloaded, and all we need to do now is to bring everything together. And I'm going to use CapCut. Though I do my editing with Adobe Premiere, I'm going to actually use CapCut. So anyone at all, because CapCut is free, and I'm going to drag all my videos here. Videos to CapCut. And now we need to actually drag these videos to the timeline, and we need to place them in the order in which it was generated. So you can see this is the first image we actually generated, and it's not a video. So we're just going to arrange them in that order. So I'm just going to go ahead and play this. So I can play this for you to see. So you can see this is now a video. This is now a video. So we're just going to arrange them in that order, just as we generated. So guys, make sure you arrange them in the order in which this image was generated. So after that, you can actually add some transition in between your images. So after that, you can add some transition between your images, and I'm going to use this transition, camera glow transition. I'm going to use this. So I'm just going to apply to all, and then also I'm going to add some filter. I'm also going to add some filter here, and I'm going to use a crystal clear filter. I'm just going to use this as well. I'll add this on top, and then also we need to actually get some nice music to go with this. So all we need to do is we want to get some nice music. So for this, you can go to, so guys, for music, you can easily go to the YouTube music library and then get some music to add. This is just some cool music to add to your video. I've already downloaded some here, which I'm going to add to my video. You can increase the volume a bit. You can select your video, and then you can easily select your audio and increase the volume. For the excess audio, you just have to cut it off. So I'm going to split this and then just clear this part off. So far, let's see what we've done. Okay, so this is already looking amazing. If you want to add a voiceover, just go through your script, copy the voiceover under every scene, then use your favorite AI voice generator like 11 Labs, or Minimax is also having audio generator. You can use that as well. So I will use this, and then I can generate this.
Every great spa day begins with a stretch and a sip of serenity.
So you can generate your audio, just download them. So all you can do is make sure the volume is high, and then you can do that scene by scene if you want to add a voiceover to every scene. So if I play this is going to...
Every great spa day begins with a stretch and a sip of serenity.
You can generate a voiceover and place it under every scene by scene. Now what we're going to do is that let's export this video and look at our final work. If you are okay with your video, all you need to do is to go to export, and then just give a title to your video, and then you can actually go ahead and then export this as 2K, and export this at 2K or 4K. I'll just go with 2K. Then I'll just click on export. Our video is ready. Let's watch a few seconds of our final video.
Every great spa day begins with a stretch and a sip of serenity.
So this is how to create this amazing and adorable cat video. Remember to subscribe. I'm going to provide a link to the prompt at the description of this video. Subscribe for more entertaining videos like this. Don't forget to turn on post notifications so you don't miss any of my future videos. Bye bye.